You're bidding on a Ammco brake lathe, single pass, high performance, rotors, drums, second passes. This came out of a closed shop. It's supposed to be fully functional. I'm not super familiar with this type of equipment. It could use a cleanup. We just Windexed it to get the dust off. Shop's been closed for quite a while. Here's a bunch of adapters here, a couple of belts, more adapters, this bolt, whatever that is. Here's a cutting arbor, some more cones, cutting attachments. You're seeing it just as we got it. I'll take some individual shots also. It appears to function properly. I don't know what else to do. If you got questions, call. I'll turn it on. This goes in and out. And it's got this. I don't know what else to do for it here, but this is what it is. Good luck bidding.